Yeah, so a quick update with the Svartpilen 701. I did some things to it. I adjusted the handlebars. I pushed them forward a little bit, um, and adjusted all my levers for my ergos. I took off the mirrors. I'll be replacing them with some other mirrors. It came with these round style mirrors here. And they're alright, but they're not great. So I'm gonna see if I can find something better. But that's that. And then I've been taking some parts off here. As you can see, this thing is pretty bald right now. I took off this rear plate holder. I still have the arm there because I need a axle adjustment plate to replace the arm. Either that, or I can I can cut out a chunk here and then just use that for the plate. But I'd rather just get something nice and clean, a new plate there that I can replace this arm with. So that's that like that for now. I'm not going to be really riding it right now. I have the exhaust off. It's right there. It's just, I don't like the look of it. It's just huge. So I'd like to get something smaller, but not very loud. I don't want anything too loud. So I do have a mid pipe on there, replacement. So I don't know if it's going to be too loud with just a slip on the end there. So I might have to put the other piece back, that other muffler. So I might do that, just depending, or just get a full exhaust. But I'd rather not go that route because it is kind of expensive, and this is kind of like a budget build for me. So yeah, so I'm kind of waiting to see what I'm going to do with that, and then I'll get the axle adjustment plate, and then I also need to get a tail tighty to put on my plate, and some blinkers. See, it's right there. So my plate's over here, and then this is the plate holder that was on the back of this. I just took it off, and I think I might try. I'm not gonna see. I don't know if it's actually gonna work or not, but I might try to just stick this right over here, like that, with some spacers to hold it out, and then put the plate on there, and then see how that looks from the side. It doesn't look too bad. There's a gap on the top, but we'll see how it looks when I put the plate on there. I might do that, and if that works, I might just leave it like that. I don't know if it's legal or not because it's so far back inside. But I'm gonna try and mount it, see what happens. Maybe try to go for my safety check. I doubt they're gonna pass me, but we'll see. And then as far as blinkers, I gotta get a kit for that. So I'm gonna do that. So right now I just wanted to pull everything off and then get everything ready for new parts. So it's looking good. I mean, it already looks so much better with all the without that shit on the back there. I mean, that arm's got to come off, but it just looks so much cleaner without all that shit in the mirrors, and the muffler. That can is just big and obnoxious, and yeah, I just want to get kind of just the minimalist type look on this thing, you know, nothing crazy big on it. So Yep, I'll keep you posted on how it goes. All right.